morning, students. Today we will start a new topic, that is the differential equations. Let's discuss first what are the main objectives of the given topic. We will learn in this topic first the order and the degree of differential equation. Then we will learn how we can form the different types of differential equations. Then we will learn differential equations with the separable variables. Then homogeneous differential equation, linear differential equation. Then we will learn another topic, that is the solution, general solution at a particular point. Then we will learn the reducible differential equations. Today we will discuss the first topic, that is the order and degree of the differential equation. Before starting that topic, first of all we will discuss what is the differential equation. As we have already learned so many equations, linear equation, linear inequation, quadratic equations. That's why we have learned a topic, differentiation. So differential equation is also there. What is this equation containing? This equation containing independent variable, dependent variable and derivative, differentiation of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, that is dy upon dx, dx upon dy, is called a differential equation. Now, differential equation is also of many types, but in our syllabus only the ordinary differential equation is there. So, we will discuss what is the ordinary differential equation. An equation which contain only one independent variable, only one dependent variable and the differentiation of dependent variable with respect to the independent variable, that is called the ordinary differential equation. Now I am taking one or two examples. dy upon dx is equal to 4x minus 2y plus xy. First of all, the condition of the ordinary differential equation, you are having one independent variable and one dependent variable. That means equation should be in between two variables only. Independent, dependent. Now, here only two variables are there. One is x and the another one is y. And the dy upon dx is also there. Therefore, this type of equation is called the ordinary differential equation. Now I am taking one more example. Here, dx upon dt, it means one variable is x and the another variable should be t there. But how many variables are there? X, y and t. That means there are no only two variables, more than two variables are there. So, this is not a ordinary differential equation, but it is a differential equation. It is a differential equation, but it is not an ordinary differential equation. Now, we will discuss what is the order and degree of the differential equation. Order of the highest order derivative. We will find out that what is the highest order of differentiation is there of dependent variable with respect to independent variable involved in the differential equation. That is called the order. And very important point is there, it is always in the positive integer. And what is degree here? If differential equation is a polynomial equation, it should be the polynomial equation in derivative. Differentiation is there. Then the highest power of highest order derivative involved in the differential equation is called the degree of differential equation. It always in the positive integer. Degree is always in the positive. Order is always in the positive. If differential equation is not a polynomial equation, then order is there, but we can't find out the degree there. Now, I am taking one or two examples there. For example, I am having one differential equation xy d square y upon dx square plus x dy upon dx whole square minus y dy upon dx. Now here differentiation is the dy upon dx with respect to x is there. That's why we will find out the higher time, maximum time differentiation from this equation of dy upon dx. So maximum time differentiation is, this is for one time only. This is only one time there. But maximum time is d square y upon dx square. It means 2 times. Second order. Second order is differentiation is here. Therefore order is equal to 2. Since it is a simple polynomial equation. D square y upon dx square, dy upon dx whole square minus y dy upon dx. It is a simple polynomial equation. Therefore, degree. Now we will find out the degree here. What is the degree here? Degree is the highest order power. Highest order power is 1 there. That means degree is 1 there. Now I am taking one more example in which fourth time differentiation of dy upon dx minus sine angle differentiation d cube y upon dx cube is equal to 0. This is not possible. This is not possible. That's why it is not a polynomial equation. So we can't find out the degree here. But order we can find out. So we will find out the highest time order there. Highest time differentiation there. So highest time differentiation is 4. That's why order is equal to 4 there. Now we will find out how we can form the formulation of the differential equation. How we can form the different types of the differential equation. We can form the differential equation when the general solution is given. A general solution is having one arbitrary constant and a two arbitrary constant. And we will formulate the differential equation by eliminate that arbitrary constant. If one arbitrary constant is there, we will differentiate one time. If two arbitrary constant is there, we will differentiate 2 times there. Equations. Find the differential equation of curve. Now equation is given to you. Y is equal to aEx plus be raised to power minus x. Where a and b, how many arbitrary constants are there? 1, 2. That means how many times we will differentiate? We will differentiate 2 times equation. First of all, we will write down the equation. Y is equal to aEx e raised to power x plus b e raised to power minus x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy upon dx is equal to a. Differentiation of e raised to power x because a is a constant plus b. Differentiation of e raised to power minus x. When we differentiate e raised to power x, its value is equal to e raised to power x. But when we differentiate e raised to power minus x, so e raised to power minus x, so as it is there, but differentiation of minus x is also there. So differentiation of minus x is minus 1. That's why this sign will be equal to negative there. Because 2 arbitrary constant is there, we will again differentiate the equation. When we will again differentiate the equation, then it will be equal to d dx of differentiation of dy upon dx with respect to x is equal to a differentiation of e raised to power x with respect to x minus b d by dx e raised to power minus x there. When we again differentiate the equation, we will find out that d into d square, y, dx into dx square, a e raised to power x, this negative sign, convert this negative sign into positive. Now what is the equation here? This equation belongs to this y. We will put that value y here. Now arbitrary constants are finished from the equation. So it is the required general equation. Differential equation. It is the required differential equation. General equation is given there. Now we will learn how we can form the differential equation with the help of the different families of curve. Now we are having equation of family. What are the equation of families there? Lines are there. In that family, how many members are there? Line is there, circle is there, ellipse is there, parabola is there, hyperbola is there. Ellipse, circle, ellipse, parabola and hyperbola, that all are the part of the curve. And straight line equation we have done in 10th also, in +1 also. One equation, one part of the family member is straight line. Rest all are the curve equations there. We have already done these curve equations in our previous classes. Y is equal to mx plus b, that is the equation of the straight line. Circle. When the center is at the origin, circle equation is there. X square plus y square is equal to a square. X minus a whole square when the center is given. Point of center. X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Equation of ellipse is also there. X square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Equation of parabola is also there. X square is equal to 4ay. Y square is equal to 4ax. Vertex at origin. Then hyperbola equation is also there. X square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Now, in such type of solutions, no statement is given to you. You have to find out the differential equation with the word statement there. Form the differential equation representing the family of parabola. Now we have done the equation of family of parabola. So we will find out the which equations of parabola we have already done. X square is equal to 4ay, y square is equal to 4ax. There are 4 types of equation of parabola now. Having vertex at origin and axis along positive direction of y-axis. Positive direction of y-axis, it means equation is x square is equal to 4ay. X square is equal to 4ay. We will write down the equations. We will separate the arbitrary constant from this equation. X square upon 4y is equal to 4a. A is the constant here. Only one constant is here. So we will differentiate only one time. Differentiate the equation with respect to x because in left hand side we are having x square upon 4y. So we can write it as a differentiation 1 upon 4 at the first position, x square upon y. So which formula we will apply? We will apply the quotient rule. According to that rule, second function square y differentiation of x square minus x square differentiation of y is equal to 0. When we differentiate the equation 2xy minus x square dy upon dx is equal to 0. When we solve the equation, we are having a last equation, that is the 2y minus x into dy upon dx, which is the required differential equation. Now students, I hope this concept is clear to you. Now you will receive one link related to this topic. Go through that link also. You will receive one assignment also there. Do that assignment. Thank you.